Welcome to Frederica Nation. Thank you so much. If you want to know how I made my own and print my own labels, stay tuned. Welcome back, you all, to Frederica Nation. I'm going to show you all how I do my packaging, making my own logos. Do not pay nobody to make your own logos. Please don't. And I'm going to show you why. Okay, I'm going to show you how you make your own logos. As you can see, I've already cut these out. And these actually come on transparent. This is transparent sticker, and that's how it comes on. It comes on transparent with a clear background, as you can see. I just have to change what I noticed is that this says royalty, and you can't even see it, so I'm going to change that color to pink so it can show up. But this is how it comes on, and as you can see, it comes on like this also, and it comes on your glosses like this. See, clear, transparent background, so it will not be white like you see. It will come on clear just like this. So don't pay nobody to do this. You can do it on your own, and I'm going to show you how. I even put them on my little small ones that I'm going to be selling for just $2 for little samples in case people want to see how, check out the lip glosses. So this is what I have. The transparent sticker, I'm going to show you where I got it from. And I haven't cut these out yet, so I'm going to leave it in the pack. So when I'm ready to cut them out, they will come out just fine. So what you're going to need to do is order these transparent stickers, papers from Amazon. This is where I got it from. I'm trying to pull it out so y'all can see the name of this, and I'm going to tag it down below so y'all can know what's the name of this transparent paper. As you can see, it's called Netto or Nito or whatever you want to pronounce it, but this is what it's called, and I got it from Amazon, and it was only like $8 or $9, and you get 10 sheets in here, I believe. So I'm like, okay, cool, because out of those 10 sheets, I can make a lot of labels. This is the perfect size. I'm going to tell y'all what, you have to play with Word, Microsoft Word to get the size. I'm going to be honest with you. I can't even remember the size this is to fit on my glosses. I can't even remember the size. You can make it smaller than this or you can make it bigger than this, but I felt like this was the perfect size for the gloss. I felt like it's the perfect size for the body butter, and I felt like it's the perfect size for the lip scrub. The lip scrub will be going in here. Now, before you put anything in any of these containers, you all, the lip scrub containers, before you put it in the body butter containers, or before you put product in the lip gloss containers, always pre-wash them. So you take the lid off, make sure you take the lid off, wash them in soapy water, okay? Make sure they dry overnight, then you put your product and stuff in. But I'm sitting here and I was cutting this stuff out, okay? And so I'm just cutting them, okay, so it can be ready so I can just place my logo on my other stuff. I just want all of these to be ready, so all I gotta do is peel and place it on the product. Now, what you're gonna do, and I meant to show you on my iPad, and actually I'm gonna show you all on my iPad. Let me get my iPad so I can show you exactly how you do this. So you all, got my iPad. I'm going to show y'all. I know it's another easier way to do this to show y'all, but I didn't really prepare myself for this, you all. I should have had all my stuff out. So you're going to go to the app Fonto. Okay, so this is the Fonto app. If you all could see it. Wait a minute. It's right here. So you're going to click on it. Okay. Once you click on it, once you click on that app, you're going to hit the camera down here, okay, and you're going to go to photo albums, okay, and you're going to pull up your logo, okay. So once you go to your photo album, you're going to find your picture, and let me find my logo like this to pull it up on Fonto. So I'm going through my pictures right now, and I'm looking for my logo. I'm looking. Now, I've already played around with it, but I'm going to show y'all from the beginning so you don't, like, get, mixed up. Okay? So, if this thing will come on. Okay, so let me go back out and hit plain image. Okay, so, because it was acting crazy. Sorry, you all. So, just hit the camera, hit plain image, hit the white box. Okay, hit use. Okay, so now you got a white square. So then you're going to hit the 3 lines right here. There's 3 lines right here. You're going to hit the 3 lines and you're going to hit add image. You're going to, okay, so I don't know if you can see it, but you hit the 3 lines and then options will come up and you hit add image. So now I'm scrolling through, you all. I'm scrolling through. I'm looking for my logo. Okay, found it. Now it's about to load. Okay, so once it load up, you hit done. Okay, so there's my logo. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to tap on it and these options will come up. So you just tap on the logo and you're going to hit size. Okay, so once you hit size, you're going to size it up. Okay, and you're going to size it up to whatever size that you feel like is good for you. So you just have to play around with it. So I'm gonna add the image again and just continue to hit a lot of images because mind you I want it to be a whole bunch of these like on here on this one on this one platform, right? So I'm just resizing it. You all know you can't see, but I just added another one. So now you can see where, okay, it's 2 logos on here now because I put 2 of them on here. So you're going to just fill this whole thing up. You're going to keep hitting the add image. So you keep hitting the 3 lines down here, if you could see it. Let's see. Okay. So yeah, there's 3 lines right there. You just keep hitting it, keep adding images until you fill it up. So once you're done, it should look like this. Once you're done, it should look like this. Okay. So I'm going to just pull up the one because I don't want to go through this whole process all over again. So I'm going to just pull up the one that I did already. It's already done. Okay. So it should look like this once you are done. You see all these on here? So I'm going to just resize it on here. Okay. So now I didn't resize it. So you see this, it's a lot of them on here now. So all you got to do is hit save. Look at that. This is the one I've already made. So you hit save. Okay, you hit that so it can save to your save image. And then you email it to yourself. And once you email it to yourself, you can print it off on your printer. But make sure you put this paper in first before you print out so it can print out on the sticker. And that's it, y'all. That's exactly how I make my own logos instead of paying people bukus of money on making my logo. There's no point in doing that when you can actually do it yourself. I hope this video was helpful. I'm sorry, y'all. I didn't have everything set up like I was supposed to. But yeah, that's how I do it. And so now all you do is, and since I got this one in my hand, let me peel this off. If it wants to peel off, Okay, there it goes. I'm going to peel it off. And I'm going to put it on my little small sample one. So make sure it's on there neat. And there it goes. Branding is everything. I don't know if you all can see this. Focus. But yeah, that's exactly how I do it, you all. I hope this video was helpful. Thumbs up if it was. I told y'all every step of the way I'm going to include you all. You know, I'm going to include you all. I felt like this was better on the lid because it's white and it shows better than it does right here. As you can see, I actually put one right here, but you really can't see it, right? So, because it's transparent. So, I put it on the lid so it can show better. You know what I mean? And so this is clear all the way through. It has a clear top and it's clear. So once the pink gets down in there, you'll be able to see it because it would be pink lip scrub. But yeah, thank y'all so much for tuning in. I hope it's helpful. If you have any questions, drop it down below. Okay? Drop it down below. And you all continue to beam in. Don't depend on nobody to make your logos and to print it off. Go do it yourself, sis. Save your money. See y'all. Thumbs up on this video.